Data cleaning is an essential part of data processing and analysis, ensuring that data sets are accurate, consistent, and free of errors. Improper or unclean data can lead to incorrect analyses and misguided decisions, making the role of data cleaning critical in any data-driven endeavor. Below, we delve into several techniques commonly used for cleaning data. 1. Removing duplicates. Duplicate data entries can skew analysis results. By identifying and removing any duplicate records, especially in large data sets, you ensure that each data point is only counted once. Tools like Excel and Python's Pandas library have built-in functions for detecting and eliminating duplicates effectively. 2. Handling missing data. Missing data is a frequent issue that can disrupt analysis. Deletion. Remove records with missing values entirely. This method is best used if missing data is minimal and randomly distributed across different fields. Imputation. Fill in missing data with estimates. This could be done by using the mean, median, or mode of a continuous variable or employing predictive models to infer missing values. 3. Outlier detection and treatment. Outliers can significantly affect analysis, especially those related to averages or ranges. Identifying outliers is key, which can be done through statistical methods like z-scores or IQR, interquartile range. Once outliers are identified, decisions on whether to remove them or transform them need to be made based on their relevance to the dataset. 4. Standardization and normalization. Different data sources often have different scales and formats. Standardization, scaling to have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1, and normalization, scaling data to a range of 0 to 1, are crucial steps in ensuring that data is comparable and provides meaningful analysis. 5. Data type conversion. Ensuring that each piece of data is in the correct format is vital. Misformatted data can occur during data entry, migration, or integration, and can cause errors during analysis. Conversion to correct data types using automated tools or scripts helps maintain data integrity. 6. Error spotting and correction. Unexpected or erroneous data types can arise at any stage of gathering and processing. Automated checks for constant or suspiciously identical entries, or using validation rules, can help pinpoint these anomalies. Once errors are detected, they need to be corrected or validated with additional sources. 7. Concurrency and consistency checks. Datasets might originate from different sources and times, potentially leading to inconsistencies. Ensuring that merged datasets are consistent is crucial. Checks should confirm that derived values match corresponding datasets, e.g., ensuring sum total in details matches the headcount in summary data. 8. Addressing inconsistencies. Use logical reasoning and cross-referencing against other data sources to address inconsistencies in data entries, ensuring that information is aligned as expected. By employing these data cleaning techniques, one can significantly improve the quality and reliability of the data, leading to more precise insights and informed decision-making.